Reports. Business reports come in all shapes and sizes, from brief one-page duty reports to multi-chapter analyses. There is no set work report format since each industry uses a unique style and structure. Even within the same industry, styles will differ, and you will need to ask your supervisor if there is a preferred format. Regardless of the format, you will need to focus on giving your supervisor the precise information he or she needs to make a well-considered business decision. Why is the report needed? It is crucial that you understand why you are writing the report, or you may include incorrect information. Be direct and ask your supervisor what he or she is going to do with the report. Is it for their eyes only, or will they be distributing the report to higher ups or multiple departments? Will a strategy person be reading it or a numbers person? Remember, you may not be writing just for your boss. Your report should speak to the end audience and be clear enough that readers can quickly grasp what is important. Gather the necessary data. The data are the centerpiece of your report. Your words are only there to help your readers understand the data. So spend some time collecting and organizing all the statistics, financial data, tables, graphs, and metrics you need. Place these on the same page. The data will form the body of your report, and you will build the words around it. Use the data to decide the key points you are going to make. Then write a few bullet points that highlight these areas. Make sure that each point flows logically from the next. Use the bullets to help you flesh out the main part of your report. Lay out the key sections. Whatever the type of the report, it will consist of the following sections: title, executive summary, introduction, which is why you are writing the report, the background to it, and your method for gathering information, the main body, which includes the areas you have bulleted. Use subheadings here if you have a lot of information, and the conclusions or recommendations based on your findings. These sections are your layout. Then start filling in the details. Most people find it easier to write the main body of the report before filling out the introduction and conclusion. Finish with the executive summary. Although it appears at the beginning of your report, the executive summary will be the last thing you write. That's because it's a summary of the major areas listed in your report. What are the key findings? What should happen next? While your supervisor will read the whole report, some high-level decision makers might only read the executive summary, so make sure it lists the salient points. Keep it short. 1 or 2 paragraphs is enough, or you can just list the information as bullet points. Final checks. If your company has a style guide, edit your document to make sure it is compliant. Otherwise, check that you are writing in clear English and use industry terminology consistently. Make the report easy to scan by including subheadings to describe the paragraphs that follow and pull out main facts using bold print. This will help your supervisor to find the information that he or she needs. If there is time, have someone peruse your report and critique it. Is the language clear and simple? Do your main points and recommendations come through clearly? Finally, proofread for spelling and grammatical errors. You will lose credibility if you forget to run a basic spell check and have grammatical or spelling errors.